Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge and cell center in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from the merge and center cells from the now select from the any position. Now going to the home menu option. Now click with the merge center option. Now click the merge and center option. That's it. Then again another process. Now select from the position. Now click for the merge and center option. Now click for merge center option. That's okay. Then I show the merge and center cells in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.